Okay, so here we go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Europe My One dance move, the intro. I have never seen any dancer teach this move on YouTube, so make sure to watch it in the end. Okay, so the moves go like this at the beginning, the full version. You know, you see Michael Jackson do behind the curtain. My life may be the same. Ah! So, and then gonna came and change, and then the pa, the way you move, way you talk. Uh, so you can watch the full version of Europe My World, but this is not exactly the dance move because I don't have the video here right here, but I can memorize the moves. Okay, so the moves go when you do like this and when you go full with the all the force like this. Okay, so this this is kind of, you know, when your Michael doesn't stand like this. Okay, so the head to the left and then pa. Okay, see, and then left and right. Okay, so you see the knee is just beat inward. Okay, pa, right. Okay, so pa. Okay, so after the next one is like go from the center and all the way up the the arms. Okay, so all the way up like this. Okay, so like okay, so you see, so that is the very first one, but the second one is more complicated. It's like here. Okay, see, so the way you move, the way you move. I cannot explain. I cannot explain, right? Okay. So how to do it? Here's you stand like this. I stand in the in this side because the move will be like this and do this side. Okay, from the left to the right. Okay. So we break it down move by move. Okay. So here we go. So as you can see here, I have this leg right here. Okay, see, okay, ta, move, ta, okay. So here, go, okay. So ha, ha, okay. One and two, okay. One here. So you have to lift your right heel up and then go up like this. Okay, so one, two. Okay, the circle, turn it circle. Okay, one, two. Okay, so as you see, pa, pa, and then go here. Okay, and then circle, pa. Okay, so pa. So one, two, and then you go pa. Okay, and then you go with full force here. The right arm go here, and then the left arm here, and the left leg here. Okay, and then you just turn. You can watch my other videos on Michael Jackson spinning. Okay, so we spin, ha, and then you spin. Remember with the left foot and the right heel, left foot and right heel. Okay, so, okay, so pa. Let's go again. Okay, see, okay, left, right. Okay, so left foot, right heel. Okay, and then pa. Okay, so here we go. Pa, pa. Okay, so left, left leg behind. Okay, right arm here. Okay, so we turn. Okay, and then pa. Okay, so that's all about Michael Jackson Europe My World intro movement, dance move. Okay, it's just a simple, I guess, but simple is not easy. Okay, so you have to practice it before. Okay, so the difficult thing is the spin right after this one. But when you do, the more you do, the way you can feel, because it have like this, and the spin is very natural. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, especially my very good friend in success. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and if any one of you like to have any other dance work tutorial, please comment below. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.